10 mood-boosting decor ideas to elevate your space in 2024. In 2024, bring new life to your living space with these top 10 mood-boosting decor ideas. 1. Natural elements. Incorporate natural elements such as plants, wood, and stone to create a calming and grounding atmosphere. 2. Soft textures. Add soft textures like cushions, throws, and rugs to create a cozy and inviting space. 3. Bold colors. Experiment with bold colors to add energy and personality to your room. 4. Statement lighting. Upgrade your lighting fixtures to create a warm and welcoming ambience. 5. Gallery wall. Create a gallery wall with your favorite art and photos to add a personal touch to your space. 6. Organic shapes. Incorporate furniture and decor with organic shapes to create a more relaxed and natural feel. 7. Scents and candles. Use scented candles or essential oils to create a calming and relaxing atmosphere. 8. Declutter. Keep your space clutter-free to create a sense of calm and order. 9. Personalized decor. Add personalized decor items such as custom art or DIY projects to make your space feel uniquely yours. 10. Flexible furniture. Use flexible furniture, such as modular sofas or multi-functional pieces to maximize space and functionality. These tips can help you create a space that not only looks great, but also uplifts your mood and enhances your overall well-being. Incorporate these ideas into your home decor to create a space that feels like a sanctuary.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.